Tired of boring showers that feel more like a chore than relaxation? Ready to transform your bathroom into a luxury spa without breaking the bank? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 shower panel systems with body jets that actually deliver on their promises. These aren't just wall-mounted fixtures, they're complete shower experiences that'll make you never want to leave. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability. Let's dive in. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Revogo LED shower panel. And honestly, this thing seriously delivers for anyone wanting that spa vibe without emptying their wallet. You're getting a legit 5-function system with LED lights that literally react to your water flow. Build quality's solid, brushed stainless steel, so rust and corrosion aren't going to be eating away at your investment anytime soon. You've got 4 high-powered body spray jets that actually deliver a proper massage, a rainfall head up top, waterfall spout, plus a handheld for when you need that flexibility. What really grabbed my attention here is the digital temperature display. No more playing guessing games or getting absolutely blasted with ice-cold water. You can see exactly what temp you're getting before stepping in. Those LED lights, they add some seriously nice ambiance, especially for evening showers. Here's the deal though, while those body jets pack some punch, there's only 4 of them compared to other models we're covering. If you're really after full body coverage with jets hitting you from like every possible angle, you might want more jets at different heights. But here's why it made the cut. User feedback's consistently solid, with folks raving about the water pressure and how you can control each function separately. That means running rainfall and body jets at the same time without losing pressure, which is honestly huge. For what you're paying, serious bang for your buck right here. Moving up to number 4, the Vivore shower panel is where things get really interesting, especially if you're watching your wallet but refuse to sacrifice quality. This is hands down the best value pick on this entire list at just over $100. You're getting thickened 304 stainless steel construction with a brass mixing valve, which means this bad boy is built to last years. The standout feature? 8 adjustable massage jets. That's 2 angle adjustable ones plus 6 spray jets. That's way more jets than most panels, costing double. The 18.1-inch extended rainfall and waterfall shower head is absolutely massive. We're talking serious coverage that makes you feel like you're chilling under a tropical waterfall somewhere. Plus, the hydroelectric LED display means 0 batteries to replace. It powers itself from water flow. One heads up you'll want to know, because this packs so much functionality at this price, the installation instructions could be way clearer. Some folks mention spending extra time figuring out the plumbing connections. It's not rocket science once you get it, but maybe budget an extra hour if you're doing it yourself. The 3-setting handheld shower with a 59-inch hose gives you crazy flexibility for everything from rinsing off to cleaning your shower itself. For anyone wanting premium features without that premium price tag, this is your winner right here. Getting both atmosphere lighting and temp display at this price is honestly kind of ridiculous. At number 3, we're stepping into luxury territory with the BWE 6-function LED panel, and that matte black finish alone makes this thing look like it belongs in some fancy 5-star hotel. This is for anyone wanting their bathroom to seriously make a statement. The high-grade 304 stainless steel construction with brass mixing valve and diverter means you're getting legit quality components throughout. You've got 4 adjustable mist jets plus 2 body sprays delivering what they call a power mist massage, and it absolutely lives up to that name, trust me. What impressed me most is how they integrated the LED temperature display. It's not just functional, it's beautifully designed and super easy to read at a quick glance. The 6-in-1 system includes rainfall, waterfall, massage jets, handheld shower, and tub spout, so you've literally got every function covered. Here's the real talk though. That matte black finish, while absolutely gorgeous, does show water spots easier than brushed nickel or stainless finishes. You'll want to wipe it down every so often to keep that fresh showroom look going. Not a deal breaker at all, just regular maintenance. The real selling point is how this totally elevates your entire bathroom aesthetic game. If you're doing a modern renovation or just want that contemporary spa vibe going on, this panel becomes a legit focal point. The combo of form and function here is exceptional, and those LED lights create an incredible ambiance for evening showers. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Vantry 53-inch tower, and this is where we're talking serious engineering, folks. What makes this special is all shower functions can run at the same time with independent valve control. That's a total game changer right there. SUS 304 stainless steel construction with brass nickel finish gives you that corrosion and rust resistance you absolutely need in wet environments. 4 high-powered massage jets feature full 360-degree rotation, which means customizing exactly where that water hits for maximum relaxation throughout your entire shower. You're getting rainfall, waterfall, massage jets, handheld shower, tub spout, and even a built-in shampoo shelf. That last feature might seem minor, but it's crazy convenient and keeps everything organized. Comes pre-plumbed with all standard installation accessories and hardware already included. One thing worth noting, because this panel is 53 inches tall, you'll need adequate ceiling height for proper installation. Measure your shower space carefully. You need enough clearance above for mounting and room below for comfortable use. Most standard showers work perfectly fine, but definitely worth double-checking beforehand. 3-year manufacturer warranty with US-based customer service is absolutely huge here. That kind of warranty tells you the company seriously stands behind their product. Independent valve control means literally running every function simultaneously if your water pressure supports it, creating the ultimate at-home spa experience. And our #1 pick, the Revogo 304 stainless steel shower panel system. This is the complete package that absolutely nails every single aspect of what makes a killer shower panel. Here's exactly why it topped our list today. Self-cleaning nozzle technology with silicone rubber nozzles is genuinely brilliant. If you've ever dealt with limestone buildup, you know what a massive pain it becomes. This system literally prevents that entire problem. 8-inch rainfall showerhead features 90 nozzles for absolutely insane full-body coverage that's borderline ridiculous. You're getting 6 angle-adjustable massage jets with 50-degree adjustment capability, means positioning these jets exactly where you need them, whether that's lower back, shoulders, or legs. Rust-proof 304 stainless steel construction with brass mixer valve ensures this thing's lasting years and years. The consideration here, with all these premium features, price points higher than some budget options, obviously. However, you're genuinely investing in something that'll last forever and deliver spa-quality performance every single day. Not the cheapest option, but definitely worth every single penny. What absolutely seals the deal is the thoughtful design throughout every aspect. 5-setting handheld shower, anti-limestone technology, adjustable jets, 59-inch flexible stainless steel hose, every single detail's been considered. Rainfall function alone with those 90 nozzles is worth the investment. This is the panel you buy when you want the absolute best shower experience, period. Those are your top 5 shower panel systems that'll absolutely transform your daily routine. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific bathroom setup, budget, and style preferences. Check those description links for current deals and detailed specs. Thanks for watching.